exit polls and how they got it all wrong. In the GHMC 2020 results, the exit polls projected the TRS to win easily, but with the BJP eating into KCR and Owaisi seats, the high-octane campaign trail saw a massive face-off between the BJP, AIMIM and the TRS party, with the BJP getting star campaigners like Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Yogi Adityanath, JP Nadda to woo voters in Hyderabad. Various exit polls indicated a victory for KCR's TRS, which was predicted to win over 70 seats, although early trends and also the final results commencing after the counting shows the BJP has put up a strong fight. The current term of the GHMC Council will end on February 2021. Previously, in the 2016 elections, the AIMIM won 44 seats, the TRS won 99, the BJP 4 seats, the Congress 2 and the TDP won 1 seat. The poll campaign for GHMC polls went communal with the TRS, BJP and AIMIM issuing sharp remarks on each other. Emboldened by their victory in Dubaka by-polls and increased vote percentage in the Lok Sabha polls in 2019, the BJP has appointed a poll team headed by its National General Secretary Bhupendra Yadav and has been sending its big guns like Home Minister and senior BJP leader Amit Shah and party chief JP Nadda. In fact, let's take a look at what the exit poll says. The Jan Ki Baat exit poll had predicted a TRS victory with 74 seats and a vote share of 37.4%. As the BJP went hammer and tongs during the campaign, the Saffron Party predicted to have got a vote share of 33.6% and 48 seats. Asaduddin Owaisi led AIMIM was projected to get 40 seats and 21% vote share. In fact, the CPS team exit poll predicted the TRS victory with KCR-led party set to win 68 to 78 seats. Of course, it has won 56 now. The BJP, according to this poll, was expected to win 25 to 35 seats, which it has won as 48 seats. The MIM was expected to win 38 to 42 seats, and the MIM has probably equaled the kind of ground and secured 44 seats. In fact, this poll had predicted the Congress will win 1 to 5 seats, which is again in tune with what has happened on the ground, in which the Congress has won 2 seats. In fact, the BJP was predicted to get a vote share of 27.9% and the TRS a 39% vote share. Let's take a look at another exit poll. The People's Pulse exit polls had predicted that the TRS to get 68 to 78 seats, which again is way short of the 56 which it has got finally. The BJP was projected to get 25 to 35 seats, again which is woefully short of the 48 it got, and the AIMIM was projected to get 38 to 42 seats, which is again in tune with what the final tally of 44 was there for the MIM. In fact, there is another exit poll which says that RAA, this exit poll had predicted that the TRS will win 78 seats while the BJP to get 28 seats. In fact, all these exit polls had predicted at least a margin of 70 to 80 seats for the TRS, which is of course 30 short of the actual figure which they got. The BJP was expected to get 28 seats according to this particular exit poll, which of course it has managed to double. The MIM was expected to get 41 seats and which of course it has managed a 44 seat share. In fact, the vote share of BJP was projected to increase to 31.2% and that of AIMIM to 13.4%.